Welcome to Future Industries Private Limited, a trusted name in the design and manufacturing of world-class material handling and warehousing equipment. From dock levelers, pallet trucks, stackers, goods lifts, drum handling solutions, scissor lifts, floor cranes, and forklifts, our broad product portfolio is tailored to optimize operations across industries. Every solution is customized to meet your specific needs, ensuring safety, efficiency, and performance from factory floors to complex warehousing systems. Now, let's see how our equipment transforms material handling operations. The process starts as loaded trucks arrive and dock at the loading bay. A dock leveler bridges the gap between the truck bed and the dock, allowing safe and efficient unloading. Next, an electric pallet truck unloads the goods from the truck onto the dock. The unloaded pallets are transported and placed in the designated storage area. A power stacker is then used to lift and position the pallets into warehouse racks. For storage at greater heights, up to 10 meters, a reach stacker efficiently places or retrieves pallets. Here, it handles a drum pallet from the top rack, approximately 8 meters high. The retrieved pallet is moved using a manual pallet truck for easy floor-level transportation. A goods lift transports the pallet to the second floor. Future Industries offers various custom-designed lifts to meet diverse load and height requirements. The drum pallet is now prepared for transfer using specialized drum handling equipment. A drum carrier unloads the drum from the pallet and transports it to the silo for emptying. The battery-operated drum lifter and tilter clamps the drum securely with its steel belt and hook system, lifts it to the required height, and tilts it via operator push buttons to empty contents into the silo. For storage in low-height racks, a semi-battery stacker offers an economical, efficient material handling solution. Future Industries also manufactures aerial working scissor lifts, essential for maintenance tasks like overhead lighting and signage repairs. The scissor lift here is shown in operation, assisting in the repair of overhead company signage and interior warehouse lights. A powered floor crane unloads heavy items such as motors from vehicles onto pallets, ready for transport into the factory via forklift. floor-mounted scissor lift bridges the gap between the factory floor and container. A battery-operated pallet truck moves across this platform to load and unload goods. Where floor-level differences are significant, a pit-mounted scissor lift is used to load and unload containers, ideal where dock levelers are insufficient. Forklifts transport materials onto and off the scissor lift tables, streamlining loading and unloading processes. Future Industries also offers large car lifts for vertical vehicle movement in malls, showrooms, and multi-level parking structures, ensuring efficient space usage. Finally, a dock ramp enables direct loading and unloading from ground level to containers, assisted by forklifts for efficient material handling. At Future Industries, we believe every operation is unique, and so is every solution we deliver. That's why each of our products, whether it's pallet trucks, stackers, scissor lifts, aerial work platforms, mobile cranes, goods lifts, dock levelers, mobile dock ramps, drum handling equipment, trolleys, car elevators, or electric platform trucks, is designed, modified, and customized to match your exact working environment, load requirements, and operational demands. From simple material transfer to complex vertical movement or precise drum handling, we ensure our equipment fits seamlessly into your process, no matter the industry, no matter the application. Because at Future Industries, your challenge is the blueprint for our innovation.